Bullish Theta organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.82 and $7.21 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $2.97 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 67 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local cryptographic money is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: customary hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Ordinary hubs procure prizes for sharing their assets, while watchman hubs acquire significantly bigger awards for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a concentrated area. This diminishes inactivity and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by conveying traffic among different ways all the while. How Theta functions. The main thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transmission capacity and figuring assets on a P2P premise. At the end of the day, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are conveyed at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen inertness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement system that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives excellent streams low dormancy, and clients can acquire compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The Theta organization vows to alter the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients awards for sharing their transmission capacity assets. The local digital money of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. To begin with, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional excellent streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations embrace Endeavor conferencing fueled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul speculation because of its solid essentials. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise speculation at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video web-based industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is right now worth 84 cents USD. Theta has moved 4.97% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,197,004. Theta organization is as of now positioned 54 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $848,495,529 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Theta organization value forecast 2023. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Theta cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.27. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.19 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.02. Theta organization value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.12. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.70 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.87. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.97 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.72 and a low of $2.55 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Theta Organization effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.82, with a base cost of $3.39 and a typical cost of $3.56. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.41 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.24 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $4.67. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.26. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.52. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.09. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.94 and a yearly cost close above $6.36 in 2029. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta Organization will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $6.79 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.21, averaging out at $6.96. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Theta cost